Alright y'all, today we're going to change out this rear wiper on a Toyota Sienna. And the rear wiper, you don't see it, it's up underneath the spoiler, underneath the wing on the back. So we'll show you how to get that thing down and swap it out with a new one. You're going to want to turn on the ignition. I guess you can start it if you want to, and then you're going to do the rear windshield wiper. I'm just going to do it one click. And then turn off the motor. And there it is with the wiper down, and we have access to it from out of the spoiler. And let's switch it out with the new one. I got this Bosch one off Amazon. I think I'll throw the link down in the description, but you can get any one you want. That's a 16-inch rear wiper blade. So if you're going with this one, it's a H409. The wiper up, you pull this down. It should just pull off like so. But watch out, the spring is still loaded, so you don't want it to hit up against the glass. Take our new blade, just push it back in, and up, and that should be it. There you have the new wiper. It's back up under the spoiler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.